Hello, everybody. I'm Frank Parr, CEO of Equipment Sales and Brokering. We are the new Goldback distributor for the Fort Wayne, Indiana area. And we wanted to talk a little bit about Goldbacks, what they are. But first off, I want to give you a little investment tip on, and this is kind of the tip of the day that we want to publish occasionally just to give people a better feel on how Goldbacks can be used and invested and spent. Uh, Goldback, of course, is a gold certificate currency. It's an alternative currency, and it is also valued based upon gold's value currently, spot price of gold any given day. One of the tips that we're looking at doing for our company and also our employees is where we have cash that we have in reserve. Um, some of that cash reserve we're going to convert into goldbacks so that we have both cash and goldbacks in the event that we need to spend one way or the other. If gold continues to grow in value, which it's went up 78% just since this time last year, we're looking at investing it, a portion of it, as a long-term style investment where cash that we're sitting on isn't earning us any interest unless we want to put it in the bank. Goldbacks can grow in value based upon the price of gold per ounce, and as gold goes up, the value of the goldbacks also goes up. So, as part of an investment portfolio, uh, we're going to use goldbacks as part of our investments. So, but to answer some basic questions on goldbacks, I'm going to ask my son Matt, who's with me. Matt, actually, what is a goldback?
A goldback is a volunteer currency. It's based, like he said, off the price of gold, off the daily price of gold. So it's always fluctuating, it's always changing day in and day out. But like Frank said, the price of gold is way up right now. So the price of goldbacks is way up right now. Instead of worthless paper currency, the dollar, goldback is made with fractional amounts of 24 karat gold. It's encased in polymer coating, and it boasts beautiful artwork. Like, good luck trying to find a regular US dollar that looks as cool as these things do.
Okay, Matt, I have another question for you. Are goldbacks legal tender?
Yes, they are legal tender. Over 2,000 businesses, big and small, accept goldbacks as payment. And that number is growing by the day. In 2019, goldbacks were introduced with $500,000 worth in circulation. Now in 2026, there's $361 million in circulation. That's quite a jump, if you ask me.
Okay, Matt, next question is what's the current value of a goldback?
Current value for today, right now, as we're making this video, a one goldback is $10.21.
Okay, next question. Do the goldbacks come in different denominations?
Yeah, they come in many different denominations. Some states offer the half. Idaho is going to offer the quarter goldback, and those will be available March 24th. You can pre-order those through us if you'd like. Get them available, or they're available before actual release date.
Okay, next question, Matt, is going to be if I'm looking to invest, why would I invest in goldbacks and not invest in like the stock market or in Bitcoin or in something else to get a long-term return on my investment?
Well, whether you're into precious metals or not, it's hard to argue that the values in metal right now is outstanding. If you were to invest in gold this time last year, you'd be up 73 to 78% with your initial investment. That's pretty crazy if you really think about it. For a 1 year investment, you're up 73% to 78%. That's really hard to find in any other kind of investment. They have an advantage over cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and things like that because this is actual money value that you can hold in your hand, that you have control over. Somebody isn't going to shut down your account just because and you lose all access to it. Not with Goldbacks because you have them on your person. Nobody can take them away from you.
Okay, next question, Matt's going to be Goldbacks are actual currency that you can use and you can spend. How does that compare to like with, let's say, if you have a 401k or an IRA or something like that? How quickly can you spend these? Can you use these?
You can use them same day you buy them if you are using them through a designated merchant that accepts Goldbacks. You can use them anywhere. There's a map on goldbacks.com. You can type in your address. You can type in your city. You can type in where you're located and put in the miles away, and it'll give you a list and a map of all the places that you can spend Goldbacks. And also, if you buy them from anywhere, there's buyback programs online like AppMex or Metals Market that will buy Goldbacks back from you.
And of course, with our company being a distributor in Goldbacks, we will be selling them. And also, if investors want to turn them back in at any point, we will also buy them back based upon whatever the market rate is for them. So will these always have value?
As long as gold has value, Goldbacks are going nowhere. Everybody laughed at cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and all that years and years ago. Everybody laughed about it, thinking it was going to go nowhere. And look at it now. If you got in on Bitcoin and at the beginning stages, yeah, it was a good investment. This is the thing in the future. This is paying your bills with actual precious metals that's spendable. You can't just take a gold coin somewhere and expect to pay with something with it. You can take these that are fractional and pay your bills, barter with them, collect them, add to your stacking that you already are doing if you're into precious metals. This is just another avenue to diversify what you're investing in.
Well, thank you, Matt. And thanks for watching our video. Be posting more in the coming future. Thank you very much. God bless and great investing.